Hello, a very warm welcome to my students here. I hope everybody is safe and sound, keeping healthy and studying as well. I am taking math in grade 5. In the last class, we have completed the third bit, okay? And fourth one I am leaving because this is the word problems. We are not considering word problems, okay? In this academic year, we are not considering word problems because we are reducing the syllabus, no? So this comes under this only. So what problems we are reducing according to our syllabus. So directly I am going to the fifth bit. What is the fifth bit here? Divide the following. Okay. So what is the question they have given here? 96,325 divided by 10. Okay, let us do this. Okay, so this is our question. 10 divided by 96,325. Okay, so we should take with two numbers. Okay, 10 nines are 90. 10 nines are 90. So 6 minus 0 is 6. 9 minus 9 is 0. Next, what is the next number here? 3. Okay, so 10 6 are 60. 3 minus 0 is 3. This 6 minus 6 will be 0. Next number is 2. 10 3s are 30. So 2 minus 0 is 2, 3 minus 3 is 0. What is the next number here? 5. 10 2s are 20. 10 2s are 20. 5 minus 0 is 5. 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay. If you want 0 as your remainder means you have to take here 0 and you have to keep here point. Okay, so after keeping point only you can take 0. So 10 5s are 50. Yes or not? 10 5s are 50. 50 minus 50 is 0. So this will be your remainder. If you want your remainder means you have to take point or else no need. You can stop your problem also, no worry. Okay, understood? This is the process to solve the problem. What is the second one? We will do one more. Okay, this is our second problem. What is the second problem here? 1 crore 14 lakh 78,965 divided by 100. Okay, let us start. So we should take three numbers. So 100 ones are 100. You have to do subtraction. 4 minus 0 is 4. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, so next number is what? Again 7. Again 100 ones are 100. 7 minus 0 is 7. 4 minus 0 is 4. Minus 1 is 0. What is the next number here? 8. Okay, so 100 fours are 400. Okay, 100 fours are 400. So 8 minus 0 is 8. 7 minus 0 is 7. 4 minus 0 is 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay, next number is 9. So this is 789. Okay, 789 means 100 sevens are 700. 9 minus 0 is 9. 8 minus 0 is 8. 7 minus 7 is 0. Okay, so this will be 89. So next number what we have to take? 6. Okay, so this is 896. So we have to take 8. So 100 8s are 800. 6 minus 0 is 6. 9 minus 0 is 9. 8 minus 8 is 0. Okay, 96. So what is the next number here? 5. So 100 9s are 900. 5 minus 0 is 5. 6 minus 0 is 6. 9 minus 9 is 0. Okay, so we should take. Okay, if you want remainder as 0 means you can continue with point because no number is 0, so you can take point here and you can keep 0 here. Okay, understood? So 106 are 600. 106 are 600. So what will left? 5. We can take 0 0. So 100 5s are 500. The remainder will be 0 because here no place, no. So I am doing here. Let me do clearly. So after this, what I have taken here? 0, because you have taken point, no. So 600 into 6, 600. Okay, 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay, so we have taken point, now we can take another 0. So 100 5s are 500. So 500 minus 500, 0 0. So this is our remainder, and this is our required answer. Understood? Okay, this is our required quotient, we can also say. So 1 crore 14 lakhs. Okay, this is the required answer. Understood? One more thing, I am not repeating again and again. 2.6, with this we have completed exercise 2.5. with this only we have completed our chapter. Exercise 2.6 and 2.7 are the word problems. So I am not explaining this because as we are reducing the syllabus, we are leaving this. Okay, so no need, don't worry, we are leaving this exercise 2.6 and 2.7. what are the things we are explaining, that will only come under the exams. Okay, no need of worrying, and don't say ma'am have not explained exercise 2.6 and 2.7. I already mentioning in this video. I am leaving this because of the reducing syllabus. If time will be there, will explain. Okay, if no, okay, we are leaving this topic. Understood? With this we have completed our second chapter. In the next class I am going to start the new chapter. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you.